So, you're looking for the secrets to make more money as a life coach. Specifically, you want to get tips from people who are already making multiple six figures as life coaches. Well, in this video, I'm going to go over with you the specific strategies that six-figure life coaches use on a daily basis. Let's rock and roll.
We all win when we all win. We all win when we all win.
Hey there, my friend. I'm Super Sid, the Marketing Shaman, and I help life coaches and healers make their first or next 100K with profitable presentations. And in today's video, we're going to be going over the secrets, right, that top life coaches use, right, to make more money. And we're going to be giving you some of their top tips from six-figure life coaches on exactly what they do on a day-to-day basis so they can go out there and make more money. Let's rock and roll. All right, first tip or first secret to making more money as a life coach. The first thing we got to do is we got to make sure that we know by heart, right, like the back of our hand, exactly who it is that we are looking to go out there and serve and go out there and help as a life coach. So remember, as life coaches, we serve three major core marketplaces. Those core marketplaces, those three core marketplaces are what we classify as health, wealth, or relationships. And we want to make sure that the problems that we're solving are fitting inside of one of those three core marketplaces. So what we want to make sure we're doing, right, as life coaches, we are identifying the specific who inside those three core marketplaces of who it is that we can help. We then want to identify the group of people and then the specific problem that they have, and then understand the specific group of people that we serve, and then that problem and the desires within that problem that they want to gain. Remember, as coaches, they're hiring us to reach a goal or target faster than if they didn't hire us to begin with. So what we want to make sure we do is that as their guide, right, we are going out there and giving them, right, the guide to solve the problem, right, that they have. So we want to consistently make sure that we know and are speaking to the desires that they have. Now, there's two specific desires that they're going to have. They're first going to have surface desires. What is it that they want that they can specifically see right now, they can see, touch, feel, right, that they know if they can get to is going to help them get to their next desire, which is their core desire. So the surface desire that I help life coaches and healers with is I help life coaches and healers with making their first or next 100K. Now, they specifically are able to do that, and once they make their first or next 100K, they then are able to do what? Right? They're able to then go and have their core desires reached, because that 100K surface desire is going to help them reach that core desire of, say, helping them spend more time with their family, quit their job and become a life coach full time, or maybe, travel more than instead of being locked up in a 9-to-5 job, whatever it might be. But that core desire is ultimately what they want, but specifically the surface desire is what's going to help them get to that core desire. So we want to make sure that we understand what that is so that we can talk to them, right? Understand them and specifically help them with their problem. All right, so now that we specifically know the niche and who it is that we want to help, we now want to identify the specific problem that they have. So what is the problem inside that niche that they have? So say you're looking at those three core markets and say you choose relationships. And then when you choose relationships, you specifically want to work with spouses or, people who are married. But then we really want to niche down into a specific group of people. A lot of people stop there, but you really want to niche down another level. And what type of spouses are you going to work with? Are you going to work with, spouses who recently got married, who recently had a baby, who recently just became empty nesters for the first time, who recently, just had a tragedy happen in the family, who are thinking about who are thinking about divorce. What is it that you want to help them with? And specifically, you take that group of people and identify the problem that they have. Because what we want to do is once we identify that problem, we then want to create a solution that can then solve that problem and solve that problem fastest, or the fastest in the marketplace that they can find. Because once they can find that you have a solution to the problem that they have, they are going to start seeing you as something or someone that they want to work with so that they can basically reach the goal, get to their promised land that they want to get to, right, in their life. All right, so before I go into the next secret on exactly how you, right, can basically take, right, this solution to the problem that you just create an offer around it that people are going to pay you money for, I want to remind you to subscribe to this channel. I'm putting out new and exciting videos every single day showing life coaches and healers how they can make their first or next six figures with profitable presentations. Make sure to click that button below and subscribe. All right, so now that we've created a solution, it's time for us to start creating an irresistible life coaching offer that is going to help us make a lot more money and sign up a lot more new life coaching clients quickly. So what we want to do is we want to make sure that we identify what is that solution, and then we want to make sure that we give that solution a name. But then not only give that solution a name, we also then want to explain how exactly we're going to deliver that solution to them. So are you going to be, packaging it up in a cardboard box and walking it to their front door? Are you going to be emailing it to them? Is it going to get to them in a PDF? Are you going to be doing a live event, a virtual event? Are you going to be giving them a home study course or an informational course? How are you going to be delivering this solution to them? And ultimately, right, how quickly are they going to get it? Now, once they get it, we want to make sure that we explain to them not only what this solution is, but why this is the best way for them to consume, right, this solution so they can get the fastest help for the problem that they have. We then want to make sure that we create an offer around this solution by, adding to this product or service, right? Things that specifically answer objections that they're having in their head once they see or are presented with this solution that can help them. So we want to make sure inside this offer, we are also adding to this solution, right, answering specific questions that are answering internal and external objections that they might be having right inside their brain. So we want to make sure we're answering questions like, can I do this? Or do I have the resources to get this done? So that we are able to knock down any objections they might have and ultimately help them start making decisions a lot more quickly with the offers that you're presenting them. The last and certainly not least, what we want to make sure we add to our offers is a reason to take action now. This reason to take action now is really great because what we want to make sure that we're doing is that we are giving a reason to take action now on the offer by adding in deadlines or a specific open and closed cart to the specific offers, meaning that our offers are not always going to be available. And we can also add bonuses to the offer, making our offers a lot more enticing, helping our offers be taken up by a lot more people quickly when we present it to these people at profitable presentations. All right, so now that we've created our offer, how do we start going out there and making money with it? So what we want to do is we have this offer and we solve this specific problem in the marketplace and we help a specific who that we're serving, right? Now what we want to do is we want to go out there and demonstrate exactly how we can help people by actually helping them. And the way that we do this here at Life Coach Launch is through what we classify as profitable presentations. And the way we put on profitable presentations is usually through, putting on some sort of event where we can go out there and we can present a profitable presentation and help people by actually helping them at these presentations. So when you think about like an event, this can be something like a challenge. This can be like an online workshop or a live workshop. This can be a live event. This can be a virtual event. This can be a virtual summit, an online, a live summit. This can even be, like I said, a challenge, a masterclass, or even a webinar, but something where you are going to invite people to come to, and these people are going to come to this event and they're going to see your profitable presentation and they're going to be able to get help with you by actually getting help with you at this presentation. And then you are going to be able to offer your offer to them to continually help them at the end of this presentation, ultimately helping you sign up a lot of people quickly through who come to your profitable presentations. Are you a life coach or healer who's looking to make your first or next 6 figures as a life coach or healer? Well, then I got a free gift for you called my 100K Life Coach Launch Guide, and you can grab that 100K Life Coach Launch Guide right now in the description. Just click down here in the description and you can grab this 100K Life Coach Launch Guide, which is going to be a 22-page guide showing you how you can go out there and become a life coach and make 6 figures as a life coach following our very simple 3-step system. Make sure to click that link down there in the description and grab your free copy of that 100K Life Coach Launch Guide right now. And don't forget, we all win when we all win. I choose to win today and I hope you choose to win by clicking down there below and grabbing your free copy of this 100K Life Coach Launch Guide right now. We'll see you in the next video.